Hi little readers, welcome back to my channel with a new story. But before we start, please subscribe my channel, press this red button below, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me thumbs up and like this video. So let's get started. Peppa Pig, new shoes. Peppa and George have been playing in the garden. Now it's time to come inside. Peppa, says Daddy Pig, where are your shoes? Oh no! Peppa gasps, I've lost them. Peppa runs back out to the garden. She can't find her shoes anywhere. They really are lost. She cries. Don't worry, Peppa, snorts Daddy Pig. Your shoes were getting a bit old. We'll buy a new pair, says Mommy Pig. Mommy Pig and Peppa go to Miss Rabbit's shoe shop. Mommy asks Peppa, can my new shoes be red? Of course they can, replies Mommy Pig. Hello, says Mommy Pig. We would like to buy some new shoes for Peppa. Red one, shouts Peppa. Please. Miss Rabbit nods, then lifts down a box from the shelf. Miss Rabbit opens the box. Here we are, she says. Red ones. Peppa tries the shoes on. They feel just right. New red shoes, she giggles. Hee hee. As soon as Peppa gets home, she rushes into the living room. Daddy, Daddy, she shouts. Look at my new shoes. They are red. I say, says Daddy Pig, they are very smart. You like my new shoes? Peppa asks George. George likes Peppa's new shoes. Everyone likes Peppa's new shoes. She likes her new shoes so much, she doesn't want to take them off. She even wants to wear them in the bath. Hee hee hee. Peppa giggles as she plays in the bubbles. Peppa and George get into the pajamas. They start to brush their teeth. Are you sure you don't want to take your shoes off now? Says Mommy Pig. No, thank you, says Peppa. I am going to wear them in the bed. In the morning, Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig and George put on their boots. They want to jump in muddy puddles. Peppa frowns. Oh, she's still wearing her new red shoes. Peppa runs inside and comes back out wearing her boots. Now she can have fun without catching mud on her new red shoes. If you like to jump in muddy puddles, she says, you must wear boots. Hee hee, oh, splish splosh. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon with the next story. If you want to watch more Peppa Pig stories, go and check my playlist. See you soon with the next story. Bye-bye.